Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the mirroring app on the sending device and then on the receiving device. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi or a hotspot, otherwise the app cannot discover peers. Grant permissions for screen capture, local network access, and any prompts the app shows. These let the app stream your display. Once done, tap Discover or Start on the sender so the receiver can find it. This begins the handshake that lets data flow. Once the receiver appears, you select it on your sending device, then confirm the connection code if prompted. This prevents accidental pairings. If the receiver asks, accept the incoming request and allow screen sharing, because denying it stops the stream. Next, open the app settings to set resolution and audio routing. Lower resolution reduces lag, while enabling system audio sends sound to the receiver. Now begin casting. You should see your screen mirrored in seconds. To finish, stop the mirroring session from the app or the notification, then close the app to free CPU and battery. If you notice lag, frame drops, or dropped audio, reduce the stream resolution in settings, move both devices closer to the router, or switch to a less congested 5 GHz band if available. This improves bandwidth. If issues persist, restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi, or repair the devices. Doing those steps usually clears stale network states and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.